Are you looking for the best handheld air blowers that actually work, not just hype? Handheld air blowers. How much should you really spend? Cheap ones die fast, expensive ones feel overhyped, and half of them can't even clear a keyboard properly. The truth is, price doesn't always match performance, and today we're cutting through the noise to show you exactly which ones are worth your money.
Product number 1, Wolfbox MegaFlow 50. First up is the Wolfbox MegaFlow 50, a compact powerhouse hitting 110,000 RPM with 3 speed settings. At $39.99, it sits right in the mid-range, and what caught my eye was how light it is, just 7.2 ounces. Plus, it comes with 4 nozzles and a lanyard. If you want serious dust blasting power without lugging around a leaf blower, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. That 110K RPM motor means it actually dislodges stuck-on crumbs from keyboard crevices in PC fans, something most budget dusters just blow around. The 3.5-hour fast charge via USB-C gives you up to 240 minutes on low mode, which is insane for daily cleaning. And with over 30,000 sold last month, it's clearly resonating with people who've had enough of disposable air cans. Now, some people complained about the battery draining faster on high speed, and yeah, it only lasts about 25 minutes at max RPM. But here's the thing, you're not using max speed all the time. Most cleaning is quick bursts, and the ability to recharge fully in under 4 hours makes up for it. Plus, the 24-month warranty shows Wolfbox stands behind it. This is perfect for you if you clean electronics regularly, like gamers, remote workers, or car owners who hate dust buildup. Skip this one if you need constant high-power runtime without swapping batteries. For under $40,
Product number 2, Fresmol LED Air Duster. Next is the Fresmol Compressed Air Duster, priced at just $28.49, making it one of the more affordable options here. What stood out immediately was the built-in LED display showing battery level and wind gear, plus an actual LED light for dark spaces like under desks or inside consoles. It's bulkier though, 1.15 pounds, so not as pocket-friendly. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 7500 mAh battery gives 20 to 40 minutes of runtime, and the 3 adjustable gears let you go gentle on delicate circuits or blast grime from car vents. The 5 nozzles and 3 brushes cover everything from keyboards to barbecue grills, which is surprisingly useful. Over 10,000 units sold last month shows it's gaining traction among budget-conscious buyers. Now, some users mentioned the LED screen drains the battery slightly faster, and honestly, it's a minor annoyance. But considering you get real-time feedback on charge and speed, it's a fair trade-off. Also, the plastic body feels a bit less premium than metal-bodied competitors, but it's still durable enough for home use. This is perfect for you if you want smart features like battery readout and lighting without spending $40 plus. Skip this one if you prioritize ultra-lightweight design.
Product number 3, Wolfbox MF60. Now, if the Fresmol's bulk bothered you, the Wolfbox MF60 takes a similar approach but refines it. Also $39.99 and hitting 110,000 RPM. It's basically the bigger sibling of the MegaFlow 50, but with dual 2500 mAh batteries and 5 specialized nozzles. It's slightly heavier at 8 ounces, but the ergonomic grip makes it comfortable for longer sessions. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 3-speed system is perfectly tuned. 25K RPM for fragile electronics, 60K for daily dusting, and 110K for stubborn debris. That precision means you won't accidentally damage components while still getting deep cleans. The included nozzles cover everything from PC cases to air mattresses, and with 10,000 plus sold last month, it's a favorite among tech enthusiasts. Now, some reviewers noted it doesn't come with a carrying case, just the bare essentials. And yeah, that's a bummer if you're tossing it in a backpack. But given the 24-month warranty and robust build, it's not a deal breaker unless portability is your top priority. This is perfect for you if you're a PC builder, photographer, or frequent traveler who needs reliable, reusable cleaning. Skip this one if you only...
Product number 4, Kagi Wairu 130K RPM Duster. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one might actually be even better for raw power. The Kagi Wairu, clocking in at a whopping 130,000 RPM for just $22. That's the highest RPM on this list, and it's surprisingly lightweight at 0.37 kilograms. Plus, it includes an LED light and 5 nozzles, all backed by a 5-year warranty. unheard of at this price. Here's why this matters for you specifically. That extra RPM translates to stronger airflow for tight spaces like laptop vents or camera lenses. The USB-C charging takes 3 hours, and you get up to 240 minutes on low, but only 25 minutes on high, which is typical for high RPM motors. Still, for under $25, it's hard to beat. Now, some buyers complained about the battery getting warm during use, and the manual even warns not to charge it immediately after running. That's a real safety feature, not a flaw, but it means you gotta let it cool down first. Also, the plastic housing feels a bit flimsy compared to pricier models. This is perfect for you if you want maximum power on a tight budget and don't mind waiting to recharge. Skip this one if you need
Product number 5, UKsen Leaf Blower. Finally, if you're dealing with more than just dust like wet leaves, snow, or patio debris, the UKsen cordless leaf blower is in a league of its own. With 980,000 RPM and dual 4.0 AH batteries, it delivers 50 plus meters per second wind speed. That's hurricane level force. And at just 2.8 pounds, it's shockingly light for what it does. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This isn't just for yards. It clears car interiors, workshop dust, barbecue ash, even light snow. The narrow nozzle lets you target flower beds without damaging plants. And with 2 batteries included, you get 26 minutes of total runtime, plenty for most outdoor tasks. Over 8,000 sold last month shows it's popular with homeowners who want one tool for multiple jobs. Now, some users said it's overkill for indoor electronics, and they're right. You wouldn't use this on a keyboard. Also, it lacks fine speed control, so it's all or nothing airflow. But for outdoor and heavy-duty cleaning, that power is exactly what you need. This is perfect for you if you maintain a yard, garage, or car regularly and want one versatile blower. Skip this one if you only clean small electronics.
So, which one's best? For pure electronics cleaning, the Wolfbox models shine. If you're on a budget, the Kagiwiru delivers insane value. Need smart features? Fresnel's LED display is handy. And if you've got outdoor messes beyond dust, the UKsen blows everything else away, literally. No single blower does it all, but one of these 5 will fit your exact need.